kicks her up a notch too, a little bit. Working on my picking. I'm a bass player actually, but I'm taking a keen interest in guitar nowadays, and mostly because I just love this fucking Telecaster, man. This thing kicks ass. This thing is so dialed in from the neck. I got a brass bone in there that's just a shorty, a stubby. I mean, we're the tolerances that we're playing with on this Tele was borderline wanting to, you know, fret out. Yeah, it's a kicker, man. It's fucking killer.